Welcome back to Tech Reviews Corner. If you're looking for a web hosting provider that combines speed, reliability, and great customer support, you've likely come across A2HOSTING. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at A2HOSTING to see if it lives up to its reputation. Is it really the best solution for your website? First, let's talk about what sets A2HOSTING apart from its competitors. One word: speed. Their turbo servers promise up to 20x faster page loads compared to standard hosting. This can significantly improve your site's performance and user experience, which is crucial in today's competitive online world. What's more, they also offer NVMe storage for an extra speed boost. Now, speed is great, but it doesn't mean much if your site isn't reliable. Luckily, A2HOSTING delivers here as well, with an uptime commitment of 99.9%. This reliability ensures that your website remains available to your visitors without frequent interruptions. One of the standout features is their anytime money-back guarantee. This makes A2HOSTING almost risk-free to try out. If you're not satisfied with their service, you can cancel and get a refund anytime, not just within the first 30 days. This is a rare offering in the hosting industry. If you're someone who values green initiatives, A2HOSTING is carbon neutral and environmentally conscious. They have been partnering with carbonfund.org since 2007 to offset their emissions, making them a more eco-friendly choice. Support is another area where A2HOSTING shines. Their 24/7/365 Guru Crew support is highly rated for being responsive and knowledgeable. Whether you need help with technical issues or just have basic questions, their team is ready to assist you. In terms of hosting plans, A2HOSTING offers a variety of options ranging from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated server solutions. Their plans are scalable, so whether you're starting small or expecting heavy traffic, there's something for everyone. Security is also a top priority with A2HOSTING. They offer free SSL certificates, perpetual security features, and DDoS protection to help keep your site safe from attacks. Automatic backups and patching also ensure you're protected from potential threats. To sum it up, A2HOSTING is a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-speed, reliable, and eco-friendly web hosting provider. With features like their turbo servers, anytime money-back guarantee, and great customer support, they offer a comprehensive hosting package. If you're looking to make your website faster and more reliable, A2HOSTING might just be the solution you need. Be sure to check out their plans at a2hosting.com and find the one that fits your needs. Thanks for watching.